Okay, this is Aaron again for codernerd.com. I just showed you previously how to set up a basic windowing system with SFML library in C++. We did that without using any real development tools, so I'm going to show, maybe some of you are familiar with Codeblocks, so I'm going to use Codeblocks. I haven't set it up, so we'll go through the whole setup process together. As you can see, I've got all the welcome stupid stuff. Okay, so darn, close that here. We'll just go to File, New, create a new project. I think I'll just go with a console application. That should be fine. Yeah, C++ is what we want. I'm going to put this in the same folder as the other one. Up, so this is going to be here, Gamedev. I'm going to do part 1 and going to give it this, basically the C for Codeblocks. So this is going to be what our okay, so we'll call it SFML. Okay, next, yeah, we're using that compiler, which is fine. As you can see, there's a few others, but I've only got that one installed, so finish. And so here we've got our basic thing. Darn, stupid window. Okay, it gives us this standard code. We don't want any of that, so we're going to rewrite basically. So I'm going to see if we can change the size of the font. Well, anyway, include SFML graphics.hpp. Then we're just going to basically rewrite more or less the same code again. We'll go through it together. We define frame rate. We're going to define a frame rate at which we want to work. So FPS 60, which is a float number. Here we're going to create our window. So render window SF video mode 640 480 and SFML part 1. Simple as that. Okay, so let's continue on. Now we get to our main loop here. So window, while it's opened, is opened. Okay, that's fine. Here, check events. So we need to create our event handler. I'll call it event handler here. So SF events. So we go here and while window point get event. So this basically goes through all the events that haven't been treated yet. So we check if the events type. If event type is equal to SF event closed. So yeah, then we close our window if it's an event of that type. Simple. Window point close. Okay. There we go. We close it. Here we go down to draw things here. Okay, so now we need to clear our window before we draw new things. We're just going to clear it with the other one in black. So 0 up 0 0. That's fine. And now we need to just display the window up. So display. And now we sleep the program for a while to free up system resources. So that's standard thing. Free up the CPU. Okay, here we go. Now if we compile this, we'll get an error because doesn't know where to get those functions. They're not defined libraries. So what we're going to do is go to project, build options, I suppose, linker settings here, and we're going to add some libraries. First we're going to add SFML system like we did before. Okay, now we're going to add SFML window for the windowing, and SFML graphics, and that should do the job. Now if we recompile, yeah, there we go, we've got our window, everything's nice, we can close it, and there you go. Once again, this is Arn for coderner.com. Nice to meet you.